How to find Skillshare coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Skillshare coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes for creative and curious people on topics including illustration, design, photography, video, freelancing, and more. On Skillshare, members come together to find inspiration and take the next step in their creative journey. So, firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for couponcodin.com/store/Skillshare. In the interface that you will be led to, you will see the various codes option. Scroll through and search for the offer that suits your preference the best and tap on the Get Code button. I will tap on this particular option and as you can see, I can get 30% off on Skillshare with this code. You will then be shown with the code, so go ahead and copy the code and paste it further in Skillshare. So, this was about Skillshare coupon code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you on the next one.